If you're looking to build a membership site, WordPress is probably the best platform out there to do so. And now with all of the themes and plugins available, it's easier than it's ever been. So I'm going to walk you through just how quick and easy it is to build a membership site on WordPress. So in order to create a membership site, first we'll have to decide which membership plugin you want to use. There are a lot of awesome options out there, but I'm going to walk you through creating a site with MemberPress. Now, since MemberPress is a premium plugin, you have to download it from your member portal before uploading it to your WordPress site. So once you've downloaded your file, you're going to go over to Plugins and Add New. From here, we're going to click Upload Plugin, and then we'll just choose our file here. Now that we've chosen MemberPress, let's go ahead and install that. And then once it's successfully installed, we can activate the plugin. Once you have the plugin installed and activated, you have to connect your license to it as well to activate the plugin. Now we can get started making this happen. So first of all, we're going to need to create some memberships. Memberships are the backbone of revenue generation for your membership site. In order to add a new membership, under your MemberPress menu on the left, go down to Memberships. Then when it says Open, we can just hit Add New. From here, you can give your membership a name, a description, and you can set up the terms of your membership here. So your membership terms establishes how much you'll charge your customers, the frequency they'll be charged, and how long their access lasts. So for instance, I can make this gold level, and then we can set a price for this. Let's say it's $5, and we can make this a recurring fee every month. And now we have our terms and name set up. Now, once you have that set up, you'll want to set up the types of members that can subscribe to this level. So under membership options, if you go to permissions, you can choose who's able to purchase this membership. You can choose between anyone, guests, members, or no one if you want to have it disabled. Then once you're happy with your membership level, over on the right where it says publish, just click the blue button. And now what you see when we go back to our memberships options, our gold level membership we created is displayed right here. Now, once you have your membership set up, the next thing we want to do is set up a payment method. Your payment method will be used to process and bill your clients. So we'll go back to our MemberPress menu, navigate to settings and click that. And then over here, we'll select payments. From here, we can add whatever payments we want to use. So if you click add payment method, you can select whichever payment method you want to use, assign it a name, and then connect with your account and you're all set. Also, it's important to know you can have multiple payment methods available as well. Doing that can help your community have different options when paying for access to your exclusive content, which is a nice feature to have. Once your payments are set up, you need to set up access rules to drip and protect your content. An essential part of a membership site is setting up your access rules. So we'll go back to the MemberPress menu and go down to the rules and select that. And then similar to members, we're going to add a new rule up here up top. One thing that makes MemberPress super awesome is that it has over 10 rules that you can use to determine what type of content you'd like to protect. Some of these include things like all content, post categories, courses, custom post types, and more. So here you can choose your rule options. You can choose which content is protected. You can add exceptions if you want to, and then you can grant access to the protected content if they meet specific criteria. So you can choose your membership levels, roles, etc. So for instance, if I wanted to make sure that gold level members had access to all content with a specific category, we can choose that here and set that rule up. Then once you've created the access rules for your content, you'll need to decide whether to drip your content or have your content have an expiration date. You can do that over here in the drip expiration box. So if you wanted to enable an expiration date, you could do that here, and same with your drip rules. Once you're happy with the rule that you've made, over here on the right, you can go where it says publish and then save the rule. And then publish it when you're ready. And then when you go check the rules tab, you can see all of the rules that you've made. Then once you have your membership levels created and your rules in place, it's just time to create your gated content. With MemberPress, any content on your website can become members only. Blog posts or courses, custom post types, and everything in between can be protected by the rules set up in MemberPress. As long as your content matches the rules that you've set, it'll be hidden from the public and only available to those that have active membership to your site. Now, once you're all finished with that, something to consider is that you can style your new WordPress membership site. Back under your MemberPress menu, if you go down to settings, MemberPress has a built-in styler called Ready Launch that you can access. So if you click this, you have access to all the Ready Launch settings. You can change things like your brand colors, you can select an image, and you can customize all the templates that you need. Now, one last tip when you're done setting everything up is using a page builder like Divi, Elementor, and more to help integrate your membership plugin with your website. For instance, we could use the Divi login module here to create a beautiful login page for our site. Combining the power of a page builder with your membership plugin can help you beautifully style your WordPress membership site. Now, while I only showed you how to do this with MemberPress, there are some fantastic plugins out there that you might want to consider. For instance, Paid Membership Pro is an amazing plugin that comes with its theme, explicitly crafted for membership sites. You can enjoy the ability to restrict content based on post type, robust member subscriptions, user registration, custom profile fields, and more. Another awesome plugin is Restrict Content Pro, which is a lightweight solution to drip and restrict your content to your members efficiently. You can quickly set up a paywall, provide discounts and coupons, and set up effective membership and access levels to your website. Now, I only touched on the very basics for creating a membership site. I'm gonna link a blog article down in the video description below. There you're gonna find so many more tips and tricks that'll help you create a robust membership website. Hopefully, I was able to set you on track for creating the membership website of your dreams. Before you go though, make sure you like this video and check out some of our other content, and we'll see you in the next video.